Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this week, Google rolled out Chrome version 115, which is now the latest stable release as I did post. And already now, late yesterday in my region on the 20th, we have received our first update for version 115. Now to double check, as always, if you have this latest update, we head to our main menu, Help, About, Google Chrome. And the latest version in bold after the update has been applied is 115.0.5790.102. So this is the first point release, bumping that up to version 102 for Windows, Mac, and Linux users. And if you're not seeing this latest update, it will roll out over the next coming days and or weeks, according to Google. But I have found that these point release updates do roll out sooner than later. Now, this is what you would consider to be, as I would say, one of those strange, unknown updates, because the release notes give us no information what this latest update includes or contains. And I have had a look in the Chromium log, and it does mention a couple of bugs. So I'm going to say at this stage that this is a non-security bug fix update. So clearly Google has had a couple of issues since rolling out version 115. And I would suggest that this is a bug fix update. Now, something else just to take note of, as I did mention when I did post the Chrome version 115 update video, which, by the way, I'll leave a link to in the description, is that Google, with version 115, is rolling out their new Privacy Sandbox APIs to replace web browser cookies. But this is only going to be enabled for a small percentage of users who have installed Chrome version 115 starting next week, the 24th of July. So it's a little bit soon for this update to be that, where the Privacy Sandbox APIs are replacing those web browser cookies, which is now a new privacy angle and feature that Google is coming now with in version 115. So at this stage, as mentioned, because the release notes are giving us no information, and because it's too early for those Sandbox APIs to be rolling out, and because the Chromium log does mention a couple of bugs, I'm going to go with that this is a bug fix update. And if anything does change after posting this video, obviously I will post another and keep you guys updated and in the loop. So Chrome 115.5790.102 now available for version 115. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.